Well, hello, guys. Welcome back this week. I got something totally different for you. This beautiful flower music box. And it includes a light. This is from this company, Florist. It's called, I don't know if you can see it there. Kit number 301162. Let me see if this helps a little bit. 301162. 579 tiny little pieces. The instructions are fairly good. They're very, if you take your time, you gotta take your time. I got a little frustrated, and don't drink coffee. It's so easy to knock one of the little tiny pieces off, but it's very worth it. They have maybe 2 or 3 different ones, different flowering kits. It's very nice. Comes in about 11 baggies that are marked. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. They are marked. However, even though you do like one, there may be a few parts that are in bag number 3, something like that. So I just pulled them out section by section and put them in my little separators, block separators, as I did it. It's pretty neat. You turn the dial, you turn the whole unit actually, and it plays for a little bit. I had to put the stickers on, and I believe I put them on backwards. They're very delicate, so I just kept going. But you can't tell. I don't think you can tell. Very nice set. Something totally different. This was a happy Easter gift to my wonderful Jules, and I thought it was something, instead of I'm all into the military, and I'm all into the Star Wars stuff and the Halo stuff and whatnot, but she's been getting into the flower thing a lot, and I just thought this was something that was totally unique. Comes with a little teacup, and you put the I've been having trouble with this little guy. He comes off pretty easily, but they're just stuck on. You fold his wings and you put him wherever you want. So I thought he'd be happy right there. So, but here is the name of the company again. And it is available on Amazon as well as some other locations. 301162. Block Florist. You can see that maybe a little bit better. Block Florist. Sorry. I got Forest on my mind for what I have coming up next. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Let's turn it back up. I love this song too. This is my Aunt Carol's song when I was little. You Are My Sunshine. I think that's the title. Would you guys remember to keep the Lord first always and keep praying? Please pray for our country. Pray for everything that's going on in the world. These are truly the end times. And there's no doubt about that. Read your Bible. If you're not reading it, just start. Start in John. I need to read mine more and more. You guys take care. Bless you. And keep building.